we are here to assist and help in all the important fields of life, from food security to energy to science to cooperation in all fields, and of course enjoy prosperity together.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Mr. President. Our relationship is unique because it's not about between two governments. It's about the people of Israel and the people of Somalia.